Praise the Lord. You will not be moved. Cast thy burden upon the Lord, and he shall sustain thee. He shall never suffer the righteous to be moved. Psalms 55, verse 22. This verse is a prayer from David that encourages people to trust in the Lord and to put their burdens on God. Rely on God. Entrust the burdens on God. Wait on God. David wrote this prayer in the midst of serious troubles, including betrayal by a close friend and his former allies. David wanted to flee, but instead, he put his trust in the Lord and waited for God because he knows that God saves and redeems those who humbly turn to him. To God be all the glory.